This is a Marx Commodore Vanderbilt, but it's been customized. Marx made the Commodore Vanderbilt from 1939 to 1952. And a lot of times you see them in black. They had different things. This is a mercury copper, you can see, but it's all the same type shape. Here's another Commodore Vanderbilt with a plate on the side. They mostly had the three kind of teardrop smokestacks, and often the top one would show like the flame from the light as it came. This one, I'm not sure what year and era it is, but it has the metal plate in the front with the light, and these are 040 engines, but it has been restored and repainted to the Denver Rio Grande Western, and it's just nicely done, just very nicely done. And they've taken the tendering, they've done decals in that to get some of this, as you see, but and some is painted too. Of course, the brown is in that, but it's just beautiful. I'll let you see it run. Very special, customized Commodore Vanderbilt. Runs very fast. These motors did. So I am not at full throttle. Of course, there was no neutral on these, and so it just ran in reverse. But that is the Commodore Vanderbilt by Marx, but with a customized Denver and Rio Grande Western paint job.